Okay, so now we're going to look at using some glitters, and you can see we've got a nice blue nail here. So this, we've had base coat obviously to make a nice base for the nail, for the varnish, sorry, and then 2 coats of the colour in order to give a nice good foundation of colour, a nice base to work with. Now again, we're going to add to that with another coat because we want the varnish to be damp. And this is one I did earlier. But we want that to be damp now. So we're just going to add another coat to there. Notice how Miss Manktolo is always putting the lids properly on her products after use. That's something that we will be will be noted in your assessments and things. So we're putting a little bit of glitter. Now we're doing it over, so we're doing it over the palette so we capture any spare bits, because obviously, products are expensive and you wouldn't want to be wasting. And then what can happen is anything that's fallen free can be put back into the container afterwards. And Miss Manktolo's just lightly tipping the container there with her hand, just to make sure that it's very gently distributed onto the nail. Okay, and if we go in a little bit further, I'll try and get the light right so that you can see the light. You can see that there we've got our glittered look, and here would be some glitter that is going to be put back into the container in order that we don't waste anything. Okay, so once the glitter's on there, we're going to leave that to dry until the varnish is dry underneath that's holding that glitter on, and then we would apply a top coat over top of that, and again that's going to help keep the glitter in place. It's going to protect so that that look can last longer and going to give a lovely sheen on the top of the nail.